Hello my lovelies, it's a makeup video again and namaskar everyone, welcome again to Ria's Lifestyle. And for today's video I'm going to apply a bit of primer on my face and my neck. And sorry for the lighting, I was doing my makeup in front of my night lamp. So after that I'm going to apply foundation. I'm not going to apply much amount, I'm going to apply very less because I want it to look more natural and look like my skin, and blend it properly because blending is the key for a perfect base makeup. Now applying my concealer under my eyes because I'm going for a very dark eye look, a smoky eye look today. So for that you need a very brightened up under eye area. I'm also applying it in the areas where I need to apply it, like the darker region. And then I'm blending it out. Take your time and blend it properly, like blend, blend, blend. Proper blending is important for a perfect base makeup. Yes, it's done. Now a bit of powder, I'm using very less amount of it on the region where I have applied the concealer. My base makeup is done. Now the eyes, and I'm going for a deep blue eyeshadow stick. I'm applying it on both my eyes, and now with the fluffy brush I am buffing it down for more seamless look. Now I'm taking a bit of light purple color as a transition shade, and I'm doing it for both my eyes. And blend it properly. And now I'm applying a bit of shimmery color on just on the middle of the eyelid to give it a pop. Now I'm applying a bit of darker purple shade at the outer corner of my eyelids. I'm not applying any black or gray color for the smoky eye look. Now I'm applying the dark and light purple shade just under the lower lash line. It gives the eye depth and your eyes really look big. Now the eyeliner. I'm going for a winged eyeliner because I'm very fond of winged eyeliners. And take your time to make both the eyes same because I'm not very good at this. Yep, my eyeliners are done. Now it's time for the mascara. I'm applying my mascara on my eyelashes, the upper eyelash and the lower eyelashes as well. Yeah, my eye makeup is done. No, not yet. My eyebrows are left. I am drawing my eyebrows with eyebrow pencil. It's a black eyebrow pencil. And now with the spoolie brush, I'm fluffing it out and making it look more natural. Yep, a bit of color. I am applying a peach color blush on because I love peach color, and I'm not applying too much, just a bit to give it like a pop to it. And now I'm applying a red lipstick. It is a satin finish. I prefer it. If you don't, then you can just blot it with a blotting paper, or you can apply a matte lipstick. like matte red lipstick. But the red lips and smoky eyes go really well with Indian skin and Indian look, so I am going for that today. Now the time for highlighter. I'm applying a bit on my both the cheeks, on the tip of my nose, yep, boop boop boop, and a bit just above my eyebrows where the light naturally falls on. And with the brush I'm just blending it in. Yeah, my makeup is complete. Smoky eyes, red lips, la 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 la. My eyes are looking really big. I'm happy with it. See, it's shiny, it's smoky. Now, ta-da! My dress. It's my party dress. The dress has black and blue in it, so it is going really well with my smoked out eyes. Ta-da again! And now my hair is done. I've applied a bit of mousse and hairspray. And this is my whole hair and makeup and dress look for the party. I was going ready for my tongue. So how is the look? Tell me you liked it or not in the comment section below. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.